People throw their stuff here and there nowadays. How careless. Oh, look what I found. A diary. Wow. This one has no name on it also. पता नहीं किसका होगा. When darkness is reality and there's no light at the end of the tunnel, who will wait for you? Even when you are returning home and it's raining heavily, when no one cares whether you are hungry or not, when you can do whatever you used to do. Is it freedom or loneliness? Freedom. It's absolute freedom. This sounds familiar. I'm curious. Maybe I should read more.
I will not sleep for the next 30 days. Why is that? Because today I got rejected by my fate. The girl that I saw in the marketplace has a boyfriend. It hurts a lot. My life is so useless. I haven't talked to her, but I love her a lot. I saw her for the first time near the cafe coffee day. She was laughing on some joke. Her laugh was so beautiful, but brief. Her eyes were the most wonderful thing I ever saw in my life. It was for the first time in my life I wanted the world to freeze. But how do we fall in love? I guess it's just like that plane crash in Alfred Hitchcock movie, Foreign Correspondent. This is so true. I also love someone, but all I have ever heard is her voice. Only her beautiful voice. Every morning, before I go to sleep, I go to the nearby store to buy a pack of cigarettes. Name of the store is Romeo General Store. Well, that reminds me of that infamous Romeo from Romeo and Juliet. The so-called greatest love story. But maybe there is someone who loves Juliet more than Romeo. Maybe there's someone who can do anything for Juliet, but Shakespeare, he didn't bother to showcase his life. Maybe it was just not worth enough, just like my life. No one cares about it. I don't know who has written this journal, but I really want to find out who is it. Death is inevitable, but life isn't. We live our lives depending upon others' perspective and certain dogma. If he has it, I must also have it. But I think if I want it, I deserve it. Today, I saw them sitting together. They were laughing. It was horrifying, terrible. I wanted her to laugh, always, but with me, not with him, not with anyone. In order to know who wrote this journal, I must speak to the hostel caretaker. He always rants about his wife. I literally just hate him. But maybe he knows. The only happiness he receives is by drinking or by hitting his wife. What a beautiful show of
आज मैं
love.
फिर पीऊंगा साला भाग पागल करके रखी है लड़की ने मुझे क्यों मैंने शादी किया समझ में नहीं आता बर्बादी कर दिया साला मैंने खुद का भाग साला
को पता है ये डायरी किसका है?
तारे वो कहाँ से मिला
वो फर्स्ट फ्लोर में
है तू कब निकला रे रूम से
आज सुबह को।
देख के तो नहीं लगता तारे को तू रूम से निकला होगा वैसे ये डायरी उस लड़के का जो थर्ड फ्लोर पे रहता है
थर्ड फ्लोर में?
मैं छोड़ आज तो वो है नहीं कल उसे दे देना
I think she's somewhere waiting for me. Her voice is still in my ears. But the truth is that she isn't there. She is with someone else. He whose existence is irrelevant to me. I hope he vanishes forever. Life is priceless, and even that lady whom I see every evening at 7 pm on this market can afford it. She wears a red salwar. She is a nice, hard-working woman, and even that uncle who passed away last week, his family abandoned him. Shoulders that raised the family once has no one to give a shoulder to. Or that kid who holds his mother's hand. If you know that tomorrow with that same hand he will take her to a old age home. There are certainly different shapes of love and certainly different ways to show that love, but none as meaningful as compared to mine. Wake me up when all of this gets over. I must sleep. When you live in dreams, all you manufacture is pure illusion.